Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Infiniti and I am the face behind all the tutorials and process videos on this channel. So a little background, I have been crocheting since I was 17 and that came from a love of drawing and just arts and crafts in general, and I'd always known that I wanted to learn how to knit. However, crocheting was easier for me, so that's what I started out with, and now today I'm here working on my startup. I have created a lot of videos. I find arts and crafts to be therapeutic, and I kind of want to share that love with the rest of the world. I just recently graduated with my associates in art education, and so that just amplifies that love for teaching the arts and the crafts. So I implore you, there are so many videos and so much content on this channel. Check them out and subscribe, because every week, at least twice a week, I upload and post these videos to show you guys how to do different things. Sundays are my crochet days, Saturdays are my art days, and then I'm starting to implement Wednesdays as my knitting days. So go ahead, support your girl, check me out. I also do product reviews, like for tools, notions. I take requests. Here recently somebody asked me to do a Van Gogh brushstroke video, and it turned out. So I am just very there for my community, and I hope you guys will enjoy my content. And until next time, guys, happy making and welcome to the